नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। चलिए क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, नंबर सेंस से रिलेटेड है। ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एवरीडे मैथमेटिक्स, नंबर सेंस है। अ सिटी हैज़ अ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ 92582, राउंडेड ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन टू द नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स इज, सी यू हैव द नंबर 92,582. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay, so when it is rounded off for the nearest hundreds, 100 comes here. Okay, here. So when it is rounded off to nearest hundreds, then it will come out to be what? See, 582, and it is near about 600, and this is 550, and this is 500. Okay, so if it is near about 600, then it should come, when rounded off to nearest hundreds, it becomes 92,600. So B is the right option, because rounded off digit 5 is at 100th place. Okay, 5 is at 100th place, and digit at 10th place is what? 8. This is at 10th place. Okay, so this 10th place digit is greater than 5, so it will be rounded off to 600. Okay, next question is, if there are 25,632 seats in stadium P, 30,654 seats in stadium Q, and 15,620 seats in stadium R, then in which stadium the number of seats were least? See, in P you have 25,632 seats, Q has 30,654 seats, and R has 15,620 seats. Okay, so which one is least? Least will be R only, so answer will be R. Answer will be what? It will be R. ठीक है. Next question is, the XYZ company estimated the cost to build a new baseball stadium, which is rupees 94,000. Okay, so what is this number in numeral form? Similar, it's very simple, it is this much. B option is the right option. Nothing to explain about it, it is very easy. Kavya bought the given washing machine. The tag on the machine is the price of the machine after rounding it off to the nearest hundred. See, the tag of the machine is 58,600. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. After rounding it off to the nearest hundreds, you know, at 100th digit it is 6. So when just I round it off, it will come out to be, out of the given option, 652 is greater than 600, it will not be an option. 485 is, it does not come within the range of 500 to 600, and 584 is very much less than the 584 is less than 595, and it is less than 600. So rounded off digit will be fourth, it is 58,595. Okay, so it will be like this. Next question is, Mr. Sharma invited 276015 guests in his daughter's marriage. Which of the following option shows the correct number name for number of guests invited? See, it is 276015. Just mark it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s, isn't it? So it will be 27,000. It will be unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Actually, it will be lakh. 2 will be at lakh. So it will be 2,76,015. It will be written as 2,76,015. Okay. Next question is achievers section. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Symbols VLD can never be subtracted while writing Roman numerals. This is true. Symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. Yes, only once. IV, IX, you know, I is less than V. I is 1, V is 5. Okay, 1 is less than 10, so it is 9, it is 4. So yes, I can be subtracted from V and X only once. This is also true. Symbol X cannot be subtracted from L. X and L. L is what? 50. X is what? 10. Yes. So this is incorrect statement. So answer will be X can only be subtracted. Symbol X cannot be subtracted from L. It is absolutely false statement, because X can be subtracted from L and C only, L and C only, that is x cannot be subtracted. It is written here cannot be subtracted. Yes, it can be subtracted. XL is about to be 40, so XL XC, it is 50, it is 100 na. LCDM, LCDM, okay. So answer will be C option. Next question is, successor of 926542 is just add. Successor means the coming digit where the 1 should be added. So 926542, when it is added to 1, so it comes out to be 9,26,543. So it will be S option. Smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. Okay, now place value of 2 in 2000 is, it is 96,000 to 9,62,540. 1039 when rounded off to nearest 100, so it is like this much: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. It is 1,39,000. Okay, so 1,39,000, that means when it is rounded off to nearest 100, so at 100th position it is 0, so it will come out to be P. So the answer will be what? Answer will be A. First ka S, yes. Second is P. Second, no, it is second का A कहाँ से हो गया? Second, see, answer is smallest 5 digit number. Okay, sorry, this is wrong. What did 1 minute. See, this will be S, smallest 5 digit number will be 10,000. That means it is P option. Third ka Q, yes, and fourth ka R. That means this much. Okay, because there are how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is also 6 digits. 1 2 3 4 5, 6 5 zeros are there. So is smallest 5 digit number is this 10,000. I'm sorry for that. Next question is, which of the following is correct about the number 54,378? When it is to be expanded, then it will come out to be what? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So it will be 50,000 plus 4,000. No. See, it will be 50,000 plus 4 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So this is absolutely right statement. The number has 8 at 1's place, true. 7 at 10's place, true. 3 at 100's place, true. 4th at 1000's place, true. And 5 at 10,000's place, very true. Rounded off the number to nearest 1000 gives at 1000's place it is 4. So when it is rounded off, so it will give out to be 54,000. 54,000. Okay, yes. So all of these are the right option. So answer will be D option. Okay? Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay? Next is P, Q, R and S are 5 digit numbers, each having the digit 9 only once and the place shown. See what, there are 5 boxes. And you have this much. Each box has 5 number of squares. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, now it depends on the digit 9 is at which place. As you can see from the figure Q, 9th is at 1000, 10,000's place, so it will be the largest of the above two. And which one will be the least? It will be at S, will be the least. So S is the smallest of 4 numbers. It is asking about correct numbers. If the 9th digit, let's come forward again, let's go ahead. P is larger than R. No, P is not larger than R. It is not true. Q is largest of the 4 numbers. Yes, because 9th is at 10,000's place. 9th is at 10,000's place. R is the smallest of the 4 numbers. This is wrong. S is the smallest of the 4 numbers. So answer will be Q. Q is the largest of the 4 numbers. Okay. Q is the largest among the given 4 numbers. Next question is, compare C. Let me tell you what is L. it is see L C D M. L is what? 50. C is what? 100. D is what? 500. M is what? 1000. Remember this. LIV, it means it will be what? 50 plus 4. It is 54. First of all, write down the numbers XC and IX. X can only be subtracted from L and C. So X is less than C, 10 is less than 100. So it will be 90 plus 9. It will be 99. Okay. Now XLIV, it means X can be subtracted from L and C only. XL is what? It is 40. And 40 plus 4, it is 44. Okay. And XLIV is what? X is 10, L is 50, it is 40 plus 6, it is 46. Then CCV is 100, 205, it is 205. And XCV is this is 10 plus 100, sorry, X is what? It is 10, it is 100 minus 10, because X is less than C now, so that it is 95. So which one is C? 54 is less than 99. Okay, 44 is less than 46. 205 is greater than 95. So answer will be what? Greater, and C will be the right option. The answer will be C. Very easy, very good question. Okay, if you like my teaching style, kindly like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Okay, and let's meet in the next class.